Hey y'all, so I ran out of my body butter, so now I'm going to show you my easy 3 ingredient body butter that is perfect for the fall and winter. So let's get started. You want to start by boiling some water on the stove. Then once that starts getting hot and you feel that it's hot, you can place a larger bowl over the saucepan. Now I'm going to start off with unrefined shea butter. All the ingredients I'm using are on Amazon, and again, it's only 3 ingredients. So with this shea butter, I ordered the 8 ounce because I wanted to make a small enough batch, and I didn't want to make too much. So I'm just going to put the whole block of shea butter in. Next, I'm using cocoa butter, and it smells so good, like chocolate. And again, I ordered the 8 ounce version of this cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is usually harder than shea butter and is a little lighter, as you can see here sometimes. So these two are the butters that need to be melted down, the 2 ingredients that need to be melted. So I'm just going to include those 2 in this bowl. I'm going to let them melt down a little bit to where they're melted enough to where I can blend them where they get chopped up afterwards, because it takes a long time to cool off. So as you can see, they're still a little solid. It's like half solid, half liquid, and that's okay. So I'm just gonna drain everything into the mixer. Third ingredient is organic rosehip seed oil, and it is in an oil state during room temperature. And this bottle is 4 ounces. So I'm just gonna pour it all in, make sure I get it all in. It comes with a like squirting lid if that's something you're interested in and using it by itself. But yeah, I'm gonna use it all and then recycle the bottle. Now I'm going to mix up the mixture and try to break up the clumps of the butters, and I'm going to use a spatula just to help me out. And I kind of had to shield the bowl because it was splashing a little bit, so I didn't want it on the walls and stuff. So I had to let it cool off. If you want it to cool off quicker, you can put it in the refrigerator or the freezer until it turns to a color like this. If it's still a dark brown color, it's not yet ready. But if it is a color like this, then I would say it's ready. So I'm going to just blend until I get it nice and blended up and I know there's no more chunks. And I'm going to pour it into my jars. These are on Amazon as well. I'll link them in the description below. Now here are some benefits of this butter. The shea butter is great to moisturize skin. The cocoa butter is also great for moisturizing skin and helping to even out your skin tone. Rosehip seed oil helps with your dark spots, and yeah, that's why I just love this butter. I would suggest that you use it on damp skin. So like when you wash your face, after you've rinsed off your face, apply your butter right afterwards while your skin is still wet. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.